Hi, welcome to our awareness video regarding COVID-19. We just need to make people aware regarding what we're doing at the moment. You're here now at Taj Mot Station in Southampton, that's England. And what we're doing at the moment is helping out the essential people. So when we say essential, we've got NHS, which is National Health Service staff, we've got doctors. I'm currently working on a doctor's car, which is a clutch needs doing, so I need to get that done, as well as, so we're helping everyone out, we're helping the community, we're keeping the community tight, the key workers, to make sure they supply and deliver what they need to do at the hospitals. So I will just show you around. This is our MOT station all around here. If you look around, and we've got large units for commercial vehicles, mini buses, vans, and these are the ambulances we've got queuing up. We need to get all of them done as soon as possible, just to get the repairs done and then get them back on the road. Again, COVID-19, we must maintain our 2-meter distance, gloves, mask. Mask is important, so when we sneeze or cough, it can go up to 2 to 3 meters. The sneeze can reach the other person 2 to 3 meters. And the cough is, you know, it's a big effect if you watch the program regarding that. But you need to be really careful in terms of the gloves, touching, use a sanitizer as much as possible, and wash your hands continuously. And don't touch your face. If you've touched something, make sure you wash your hands first, then touch your face. So then at least you know it's clean. So yeah, this is the important message for everyone. COVID-19, as everybody knows, the whole of the country is really worried about this COVID-19, as well as the whole of the world. We just want to send the message out to people. We will nail this down. We will work together. We will isolate ourselves at home and make sure that we don't spread this. So please work together. This is including Asia, Middle East, West, East, North, South, all over the world. We must make sure that we take this seriously. Right now in the Asian continental side, a lot of people not taking this seriously. We must maintain this. We must maintain the distance, the mask, the gloves. Only come out if it's necessary. For food shopping, that is very, very minimal. You know, you must do that every once a week. If you just get your ration, get it into your house, and make sure if it's necessary, that's when you come out. Otherwise, everybody stays at home. This is a very strict situation at the moment. We are at war with this virus, and we must nail it down together. COVID-19, everybody must stay at home. Stay at home, stay safe, and help the key workers. Thank you.